With an increasing awareness for mental health issues around the globe, there's also an increasing use of medications like antidepressants. But how do these work? Well, there are different types of antidepressants, and they all work by manipulating neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. But today, we're going to be focusing on the ones that affect serotonin.
Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that affects memory, happiness, and sleep. Only about 10% of serotonin is found in the brain, and that is what affects mood. This is why antidepressants focus on improving serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is made when serotonin cells use tryptophan, found in food like fish and eggs, and combine it with the enzyme tryptophan hydroxylase to make serotonin.
So I said that serotonin is a neurotransmitter, but what exactly does that mean? Well, to understand this, first we need to look at a neuron, or a nerve cell, which is what sends signals from the outside world to our muscle cells and other body parts.
This is the dendrite, which is the end of a neuron that receives communication, and this is the axon terminal where the signals from the neuron travel away to be received by another cell. Neurons connect kind of like this. Zooming into this connection, this is called a synapse. As the action potential, which is what occurs when a neuron sends information down an axon, reaches the axon terminal, the depolarization causes calcium channels to open. Calcium moves in and attaches to synaptic vesicles, which contain different neurotransmitters like serotonin. This causes them to move down, attach to a docking protein, and fuse into a membrane. This releases serotonin into the synaptic cleft, which then attach to receptors on the next cell and send the message down. So when someone doesn't have enough serotonin, enough signals won't be sent to the next cell. Finally, uptake transporters come in and take the neurotransmitters back up to the cell. Going back to antidepressants, the most common type are SSRIs, which work by blocking uptake transporters from taking the serotonin back into the cell. This allows more serotonin to be left in the cleft, sending more happy signals. Basically, they bring serotonin levels back up to normal. However, too much serotonin can also be a problem. This causes frequent attachments to receptors, which sends too many signals. This can cause problems from shivering to seizures and can even worsen depression.
All in all, antidepressants are vital medications that have helped thousands of people, but can also have detrimental and devastating side effects. I hope you learned something today, and if you'd like to learn more, see additional sources in the description box below. Thanks for watching!